Welcome to Abdali Grammar School YouTube channel. Social Studies 4. Lesson: How Human Activities Have Changed the Natural Environment. Human activities provide more facilities to humans, but also change the natural environment in exchange. For example, 1. Deforestation. 2. Building dams. 3. Modern industry. Deforestation. Deforestation means removing more forests, cutting more trees for agriculture, wood, or buildings is called deforestation. Deforestation changes the natural environment. For example, trees need carbon dioxide and give oxygen. Humans, animals, and birds need oxygen and give carbon dioxide. So, deforestation means less oxygen and more carbon dioxide. It is dangerous for humans, animals, and birds. The roots of trees give strength to the soil, ground, just as the iron rods give strength in the construction of the buildings. Without iron rods, the buildings fall apart soon. So, without long roots of big trees, the ground also falls apart. Landsliding is an example, and landsliding is dangerous. Forests are the homes to animals and birds. They use forests for food, for shelters, and for their nests. Because of deforestation, animals and birds lose their homes, nests. They cannot have enough food. Birds and animals move, and then we see them only in the zoos. We cannot enjoy the presence of birds and animals around us. Many of the useful wild plants and berries cannot grow anymore. Building dams. Dams are very useful for humans. They give us electricity. They give us extra water. That water is used for irrigation, agriculture. But building dams is also changing the natural environment. For example, dams are built on rivers. The stored water in the dams sometimes doesn't move. So, freshwater animals are always in danger. 2. Most rivers bring sediment/silt, the soil. River water brings fertile soil with them. Silt is very useful for the fields. So, if the dams are built on the rivers, the sediment lies on the bottom of the dams and does not reach the fields. The dams store water. So, the water in the rivers becomes shallow. It is dangerous for marine water life. During the rainy season, the water overflows and gets out of the dams. It causes flooding. Flooding destroys the colonies of many animals and humans. 3. Modern industry. Industry gives us a lot of everyday facilities, but it is also changing the natural environment. For example, industry uses a lot of raw materials, like plastic, paper, fiber, etc. People use things made with different materials, but they do not recycle things properly. That creates waste pollution. The use of plastic bags and plastic bottles is one of the biggest problems. 2. Industry uses a lot of oil or petroleum to run the machines. That oil and petroleum release dangerous smoke into the air. That smoke creates air pollution. The vehicles release smoke and heat in the air, which increases global warming. Due to global warming, the weather is changing. For example, sometimes a lot of rains and sometimes no rains fall. This air pollution is also dangerous for the birds in the air. The unseen radio waves of cell phones are dangerous for health. Thanks for joining us in this educational journey. We will see you in the next video.